guys, welcome back to our channel. Something new and exciting is on the way and I cannot wait for it. This is what I have been waiting for. It's a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited Edition and I bought this from salvage car auction. As you can see, there is a big damage in the front side. So we have lots of damage under here. Mostly the frame damage on this corner, and we have an oil pan also damaged. So let's go on the rear side. So on the rear side is perfectly fine. There is no damage or scratch, so we don't need to worry about this. We also got the front bumper, which have a fog lamps. On the bottom side, the bottom part is damaged, so probably we have to buy the brand new one. But looking at the top side, it looks perfectly fine. So let's go inside and check how it looks. So you can see it's pretty dirty from inside. Battery is very low, so I cannot turn on any display or anything. So it's an automatic transmission, push button start, and so it's a limited edition. It comes with navigation and all the stuff, and there is a big glass moonroof. We have also lots of 12-volt outlet, USB port. We have USB port over here, 12-volt outlet over here also. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, so let's clean from outside and inside. That's it for today. In next video we're going to order some new parts and we're going to check what's damaged. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe. See you next time.